just because of so many requests for this particular phone, we decided to get it for you guys and review it and unbox it. And this video is all about unboxing the Honor 8C. So stay tuned till the rest of the. So starting right from the back, and it is a really beautiful box. Just like every other Honor phone, this box is colored teal and blue. Starting off, you get to see the phone itself, and it is covered in a plastic bag. The next thing you get to see is a accessories thing, and it got a SIM ejection pin, and it also got a cover which you can use to cover your phone, and it is a really good cover and a good move from Honor. The next thing you're going to get to see in this box is obviously the customer warranty as well as the quick start menu, both essentials if you're new to Android thing. And as always, you get to see the standard micro USB cable as well as the standard headphones and the charger. There is nothing special in this thing. It has been going since years from Huawei, but these are the essentials. You don't get to see these kind of things in a $1,000 phone, and you are seeing it in a really cheaper device. That's great. Now, I also received a gift hamper from Honor after buying this phone, and it has a really good and fabricated cable. Like, this cable looks really great, and it also feels really nice. It is a micro USB 2 cable, and it is looking pretty sick and dope with the Honor branding on it. You also get to see a selfie stick inside the box as well as a keyring. The selfie stick is a usual one, it is not the wireless one, so that's it. But I still really like how it is. Like, seriously, it is really good design, and the box itself is really clean. But one thing I noticed that it is not a keyring, it is an adapter where you can stick your finger and you can get a pretty nice hold onto your phone, which is really nice as well. So that was it for the unboxing. Hope you guys liked the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I shall be bringing the full review of this phone pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. This is Aridasan and I'm signing out. Peace out.